Good evening, Professor. My name is Sophia, and this is my reverse engineering Tableau assignment. So the assignment or the data that I chose were for favorite U.S. sports between the years of 2017 and 2004. This was the data I got off of Monday Madness. So I saved my data on here and I went over to Tableau. And when I went into Tableau, we downloaded all the data, uploaded it from Microsoft Excel into Tableau. So when it did come in here, I had a little difficulty and I couldn't really figure it out. But I went in and renamed. So everything was coming like F1, F2, F3, and it wasn't giving the name. So I did go in and I right-clicked and I renamed. I don't know if that was the right way of doing it, but that's the only way I kind of found around it. I did go in, and so if we look on the right side, the left side, we'll see the value, the number count. On the bottom of the grid, we can see the years. So I did only do from 2017 to 2018. And these were all the names of the sports. We have auto racing, baseball, basketball, bowling, etc. I did color coordinate according to the year. So we can see that the orange is 2008. This rust color is 2013, and the green color is 2017. And so we brought it up, and so on this, which is the measures values, that will be our left-hand column. And then on the top, we have the names of the sports, and we have the years. I dropped it into the color so that we could get 3 different colors for 3 different years. I did put in the caption down here to explain what it was. And I did go ahead into the years, and I only wanted 3 years. So I did go ahead and just uncheck the ones I didn't need. After I was finished with that, this is our completed. We can see that football has been one of the favorite sport of the U.S. between 2017 and 2018. Behind that, we see, we don't have a name for this one, so I'm not sure exactly what it is. But if we look at basketball and baseball are also. So these 3 sports are the top of the line for what the U.S. Consider their favorite sports. So now I have all of my information. I went into Worksheet. I did export, and I exported my image. I saved it with all my information. I brought it into Microsoft Word. I saved it in here, and then I also went, I turned it around to make sure that it includes everything. When I saved my file, I saved it as a PDF. So we now have it in PDF also. And thank you.